Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. In this video I will be unboxing and taking a look at the Pixel 3a, the budget compact phone from Google. I have here the box. We have the clearly white color variant. The memory is always 64 gigabytes. The screen 5.6 inches, and yeah, that's about it, at least for this side of the box. It's a pretty nice solid box overall with a pretty interesting design. So on the right you can see actually the right side of the device. On the left the Google brand name. On the top the Google logo, and on the back of course just a minimalistic Team Pixel logo, and yeah, that's about it. Let's open this box and see the actual device. We have the phone itself, which I'll be putting aside for now. Let's just take a look at the box contents first. We have here some booklets and the sticker, the SIM ejector tool. We have the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Here we have a USB on the go adapter, of course USB Type-C, and here we have a USB Type-A. Headphones, which are unopened. Let's just quick look. Yeah, it's like the standard earbud style, nothing special. And the power brick, which has a USB Type-C here on the top and has the following specs. So it features 18 watts quick charge. Let's put everything back in the box and we can take a look at the device itself. If you ask me, given this device's price point, the box is pretty well equipped. So you have all the crucial stuff like the power brick and the USB Type-C cable, but as extras you also get the USB on the go adapter and a pair of headphones, which is a nice touch for a mid-range device basically. The Pixel 3a device has the same footprint as its flagship brother, the Pixel 3, but obviously there are some changes in the specifications. So this is the device itself. On the front, when the screen is turned off, you cannot see much. On the left side, we have the same card tray here. On the right side, we have the power button and the volume keys. On the top side, we have, yes, the headphone jack, which is really nice. Microphone. On the bottom, USB Type-C. This is another microphone, and this is the speaker. On the back, fingerprint scanner. This is the 12 megapixel camera from the Pixel 3. Dual LED flash and the Google logo. This construction is fully plastic, which makes the device really resistant to drops, and it makes it pretty light as well. And yeah, maybe it doesn't feel like 100% as solid as a fully fledged flagship, but it's pretty decent. I wouldn't say it detracts in any way, this plastic. We have a mid-range processor inside, the Snapdragon 670, which is a 10 nanometer processor. We have only 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal non-expandable memory, which is quite bad for today's standards. We have stereo speakers, one here on the top, one here on the bottom. At the end of the day, the fact that this phone has dual speakers doesn't change that much. The S10 series has much stronger and more powerful sound from the two speakers. And right off the bat, you can see the first problem with this device, the huge chin. You have a decent front camera, 8 megapixel. The phone feels good in hand. I always liked this about the Pixel devices. And yeah, I guess given the price point, you cannot really ask for more. To be honest, I'm not really sure how the glass back or any other, well, aesthetic gimmicks really add to the whole experience. I would rather have a plastic device which is more resistant to drops and to scratches and to anything else than have an expensive, so basically a more expensive, more fragile piece of kit as a daily driver. I don't understand this, but yeah, probably for some people the phones are, well, a status symbol and they want to have the devices as expensive as possible. Any way you consider it, this is somehow
more of a niche device. It is very difficult to get hold of one. It's only sold in a few countries directly. Of course, you can get it from different resellers, but even here, there aren't that many who sell it, and definitely not a lot of buyers for it. Most buyers go for the mainstream brands. Google hasn't really done a great job in the past few years to promote its brand as far as hardware goes.
This was a unboxing video and a first look at this Pixel 3a. I will definitely be coming back with a full review. I've used this device as my daily driver for about 2 months, so I know its, well, quirks and features, and I will tell you everything about them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. Thank you so much for your support. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. I wish you a great day. Bye!